In this Nano review video, we're going to talk about finding values of sine and cosine. And this lesson combines the definition of sine and cosine with the definition of coterminal angles, so just make sure you look over both of those things before this video. Alright, so let's see, we want to find the sine of 405. If we try to do it just like the example in the definition video, we would look for 405 in our unit circle, and you'll see that's not there, because 405 is bigger than 360 degrees. So we can use coterminal angles. I can take 405 degrees and subtract 360. Right, 45 and 405 are coterminal, which means they would look the exact same if they were drawn. All right, so the sine of 405 and the sine of 45, they're both going this direction. And then I take my y value, square root of 2 over 2. All right, so just by finding a coterminal angle, I can find it on the unit circle. Cosine of negative 120. Again, if you look at your unit circle, you're not going to see it anywhere on your unit circle. These are all positive angles. But we know we can add 360 to my angle, and I end up back in the same place. In this case, I end up at 240. So this angle here is 240, but also negative 120, and its cosine is going to be the x value, negative 1/2. All right, so adding and subtracting 360 to get you until an angle that's on the unit circle. Sine of 1260, I definitely already know that this is a really big number. It's bigger than 360, so I have to subtract 360. All right, to try to find a smaller coterminal angle, I get 900. Still not on the unit circle. If I do it again, I get 540. That's still not on the unit circle, so do it again, and I get 180, and now 180 is smaller than 360, and I can find it on the unit circle right here. I'm doing sine, so I take the y value, and I get 0. All right, so all of these signs would be equal to each other. The only one I can do in the unit circles is the very last one, because that's smaller than 360, and I get my answer. All right, so now you can find the sine and cosine value of any angle using your unit circle.